Hi dear customers, this is our QLQ invisible long chain zipper manufacturing workshop. You see, the floor is very clean for our workshop because we should make sure the zipper is clean after stitching. Okay, you can see. And this is the cone, monofilament cone, okay? And this is the invisible lace taper. And you see all these machines are the lace blend, which we imported from Taiwan. And every hour our worker will check the size and will use the slider for testing. So if you are interested to buy the invisible long chain zipper, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.